All right, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to show you guys how to replace some windshield wiper blades. But there's a couple different things I need to show you. So let's take a look at my truck first. Okay, the truck's easy to access because the hood's like way up here. So you just got to fold this up here, and then you can, unclip it, but then, take the old one off, the new one on, and fold it back. But a lot of cars are a bit different. So let me show you. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. You can't lift it up or you'll actually hit the hood, and that's not good. So let me show you what you got to do. Okay, now specifically, this is a 2023 Toyota Camry, and there's a little trick to getting these to go up to where they call the service position, okay? Give you good access for the windshield wiper blades. And there's a little bit of a trick to it. So we're going to put the car into the on position, not start it, doesn't have to be started. So we're clicking it 2 spots up, so it's on. So the whole dash and everything lights up, then clicking it back once to accessories. And now we're gonna hold the windshield wiper, the little thing up. There you go. Had to be like for 3 seconds. And there they are. Now they'll stay up there for us. Now you can turn the key off. Now that they're in the service position, we can easily fold them up and work on them. Okay, now this is the actual Toyota brand windshield wiper, which is not what we're going back with. It does have a little flap here, which doesn't have to be lifted up, but you get a little bit better range of motion when you open that up right there. And then you guys can see right here, there's a little tab. It's not very big, but you push it in, and then this whole thing can slip down. And there we go. I think that's a better view of the tab right there. That little guy right there is what we push down to unlock. This one here happens to be a frameless Michelin brand wiper that I'm going back with. Very high quality. So it's good to get a decent quality wiper blade. And it has, oops, I just gonna keep dropping them, all these extra clips here for installation for lots of different brands of wipers, okay? But the one that's built into this one here is the one that you're going to use most of the time. All right, now we do have some packing, protectors right here. So we're going to take this and pop those off, okay? And then we should be able to just fold this into place and then lift up. And there she's already locked in place. There you go. Most of the time, it's really just that simple. So you gotta go back into the car and turn the ignition back to the on position, and then hold up the windshield wiper lever, and then they'll go back right into place. There you go. Hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great one.